Now this is something that is worth noting because it has a very interesting characteristic. So this is Phragmipedium humboldtii. And one of the things that I find just absolutely great, because I'm taking biology and learning about the coexistence of certain species, what actually happens is these lateral sepals will grow all the way down until they hit a surface. And you can see how long these have gotten. These are probably a foot to a foot and a half long, but I've seen them up to 4 feet plus. What actually happens, and the reason for that, is when they hit the surface, say the table here, ants actually travel up it. So they'll go all the way up. They will come out into the pouch here, and that's how the plant gets pollinated. So that's pretty cool. Co-evolutionary. Co-evolution.